The Branch Creek Walk-Behind Sprayer provides the ability to efficiently expand the use of entry beyond the doorway and reach out to larger sidewalk areas. With the Branch Creek Walk-Behind Sprayer, you can combine the performance as well as chloride and residue-free benefits of entry with the speed of a liquid application. The Branch Creek Walk-Behind Sprayer has a 12-gallon tank capacity, which will provide coverage of up to 18,000 square feet of entry, or the equivalent of 24 50-pound bags of sidewalk salt. The sprayer will provide 4 feet of lateral coverage. The Branch Creek Walk-Behind Sprayer is powered by a 24-volt replaceable lithium-powered battery. Each battery will provide 1 to 2 hours of life and will fully recharge in 24 hours. The Branch Creek Walk-Behind Sprayer features a detachable hand wand to allow for quick application on hard-to-reach areas like tops of stairs and curb. The Branch Creek Walk-Behind Sprayer comes set up to apply entry at the recommended rate. All sprayers are shipped partially assembled and are tested with water prior to shipment to ensure that there are not any defects. When paired with a tote of entry and the entry quick attach, the Branch Creek Walk-Behind Sprayer can be filled in as little as 1 minute. Compare this speed with ripping and pouring 24 bags of sidewalk salt. The Branch Creek Walk-Behind Sprayer is available for sale at $695. Please contact your distributor about discounts available on eligible equipment when purchasing entry.